How to recover Snapchat account after hack. To recover a hacked Snapchat account immediately, attempt to reset your password via email or phone. If a hacker changed your credential, you could contact Snapchat support. So if you're able to log into your account, you could simply tap the Bitmoji from the top left corner and go to the gear icon. There you have password. You could go ahead and change your password. Confirm. So for that, you want to type in twice. That should be able to help you out to recover your account as well. And for those cases or for those users who are not able to access their account, in the home page, you just have to provide your email address and select forgot password, and then you could go ahead and reset it so as well. If nothing works out, you want to open up any browser that you have on your device, type in Snapchat hacked account recovery. You go to the first link that pops up, or you could also go to the second one. And here you just want to make sure to go ahead and select my account is compromised. You could then go ahead and select change password or maybe session management and read the terms and condition. If this wasn't a helpful way, you could then tap the menu bar and select contact us from there, and that should be able to help you out recover your Snapchat account after hack. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.